Let's be real, payday lands on Friday, and by Monday, your money's already planning its escape or already escaped. That's why we budget, so your cash behaves itself like it's on probation. Budgeting means telling your money what to do before it goes. It's like putting your pounds on a leash. Whether you earn £500 or £5,000, you need a plan or your bank account will look like it's just been robbed. If you make £2,000 a month and you spend £2,200, it means you are in a deficit and something needs to change. In this video, I will talk about 3 types of methods you can use to budget or pay off debt. 1. Zero-based budget. This one's military-grade budget, strict. Every pound gets a job, rent, bills, debt, fun, investment. You assign it all so your budget ends at 0. If money had a rota, this would be it. Nothing's wandering off to KFC or McDonald's unsupervised. 2. 50-30-20 rule. Can't commit to full budgeting. Here's the soft launch: 50% on needs, like rent, utilities, transport, and pretending you enjoy paying council tax. 30% on wants, 20% on savings or smashing debt. It's a vibe, not perfect, but it'll stop your card declining mid-basket at Tesco. It doesn't have to be exactly these numbers. You can adjust it according to your goals. For example, if you want to save 30% and spend 20% on wants, that's also an option. Make it work for you. The third point is for anyone focused on paying off debt. There are 2 types you could do, which is snowball or avalanche. 1. Snowball method. List your debts from smallest to biggest. Pay the bare minimum on all, then attack the tiniest one like it insulted your mum. You build momentum like a snowball of confidence rolling downhill. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll over that amount you were paying on to the next debt payment. For example, if you have £500 at 25% interest to pay American Express and had £1,000 to pay on Barclays card at 5%, though the £1,000 has lower interest, you start repaying the £500 card first. 2. Avalanche involves paying the debt with highest interest first, a bit like choosing salad over chips. It's good for you, but you feel nothing inside. Mathematically smarter, but less emotionally satisfying. Which budget type fits your chaos? Drop it below. This is Amelia from PocketWise UK, helping you fix your finances without falling asleep. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.